What up guys, DJ Y is back again with another episode. Today we have a topic about legendary Drizzy aka Drake. So in today's video I want to show you Drake linked up with Top 5 last night, and literally it seems they cooking up something special.
How do you feel right now?
Losing. When your big bro got the #1 song in the world. Undefeated, nigga.
Guys, I'm sure that absolutely everyone wants to see collaboration between Drake and Top 5. If you think so, just tell me in comment section. In case losing beef with Kendrick Lamar, Drake is still one of the greatest, man, period. Before I finish the video, I want to ask you a question of the day. Please guys, honestly tell me what is your all-time favorite song by Drake. So it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe till we get the notification bells, and with the tip up to y.com. Peace.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit Y2B, just keep it going.